Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alejandro Franco Noreña, and today I'm going to introduce myself about my personal life. It is talking about the final exam, Tax 8, in the subject Intermediate English 2 in the university. So, first of all, the guide of activity asked me about the town where I live. So I was living in Florencia, Caquetá, the capital in this department. And from 1 month ago, I just arrived in this town. For that reason, I don't know my neighbor or my neighborhood. So I'm going to talking about the more principal, the main points or features in this town. It is located from Florencia 3 hours. So you have to take a taxi or on a bus from Florencia to San Vicente del Caguán. There is the principal park, the H Park or Parque Lacha. There is the main church. I was reading about the Colombian people who arrived in this town from Huila, the department of Huila. So for that reason, you can find a lot of people who talking in the same stress like those people in Huila, and you can see mostly people or towns in this department located near to the river. In this case, San Vicente del Caguán is located near to the Caguans River. And you can see in these pictures that the most important festival the summer in January, the San Vicente del Caguán. The people who likes to build that kind of houses, floating houses, in order to dancing in there and drinking as well. The next one is about my personal life. About my job, I am police officer since 15 years ago. In fact, I am a traffic police. I have to control the traffic in the streets. If there is an accident in there, I have to care about people. Call the ambulance or save or send those people or hurt people to the hospital, and I had to draw or diagram the highways or the cars as well. So that's my job. Okay, it is located in Caquetá department, as I told you before. I am from Bogota. I am living here because my job. I am kind, patient, friendly, gentle. I get along with my co-workers in my job. I don't have wish to disappoint with them. Okay, that is my daily routine, but I don't like to talking about that, or it doesn't the time to do that. About my family, she is my mother. She is Melida Noreña Osorio. She lives in Bogota. She is 56 years old, and he's a housemaker. In her free time, she likes travel a lot, usually near Bogota, La Mesa Cundinamarca, or somewhere like that. My father, Marco Angel Franco, I don't have photographs of with him, so I just talking. He lives in Puerto Rican Meta. He's 69 years old. He's peddler. He likes read a lot and talking with his friends. And finally, she is my beautiful sister. She's Carolina Franco Noreña. She's 26 years old and she's an accountant. Her free time, she likes to watch movies, usually Netflix. She has the accountant and the Actually, she watches Netflix with her family and daughter. Okay, and last one, my another important person in my life is my wife. She is Ingrid Mantiña Bernal. She is from Bucaramanga and she's 30 years old. She likes travel a lot, also watch movies like me, and she's a beautiful teacher in primary school. So that's it. Thank you for watching.